How to add sounds to your video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add sounds to your video on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it, and here click on the post icon at the bottom, and now you can start recording a video. All you need to do before recording a video is click on add sound at the up of the screen, and here you can choose a sound from uh, um, uh, from this music, or click on favorite and you're gonna find your favorite sounds if you ever add a sound to your favorite. And this is it. Now all you need to do is, once you choose a sound, click on start recording and record a video. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.